knitted bobbles for the silk shawl. It's taken a while to figure out what's the perfect bobble for the yarn. I think I've found the one, and also, I mean, they look quite big, but once they're blocked, they'll sort of felt up and look really good. So just knit along to where you want your next bobble, where it says make bobble, just there, and then we knit to the front, then knit into the back of the same stitch without taking it off the needle, knit into the front again. Oops, a bit tight. There we go, and now we've got three stitches for our bobble. So we turn our work and we purl 3, and I keep the tension quite tight, which helps with the shape of the bobble. So 1, 2, 3, and then turn our work, knit 3, again pull on the yarn to increase the tension. 1, 2, 3, turn to our purl side again, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and then back to our knit side, and now we're going to knit 2 together, like that, pull on the yarn, and then put that stitch back onto our left needle and knit 2 together through the back loops. So that brings us back to just the 1 bobble stitch, and we'll knit across to the next bobble and repeat that process. And then there's just an extra step that we do when we do our next row, which is purl. So I'm up to the bobble again, so knit front, back, front, keeping our tension a little bit tighter than we normally would. Turn our work, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, turn our work, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, turn our work, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and then turn our work and knit 2 together. Pass that stitch back to our left needle, knit 2 together through the back loops. Now we're down to 1 stitch. Okay, there's our new bobbles, and I'll just carry on, finish this row, and then I'll come back and show you how we complete that on the purl side. Okay, just coming up to on the purl side to our bobble stitch. So there it is there, so on the front's our bobble. So I'm just going to slip that across purlwise to the right needle, pick up the stitch, the bobble stitch below in the row below, and hook that onto our left needle, slip that stitch back again, and then purl those 2 together, and that is going to tighten up that bobble on the right side. Okay, we're purling up to our bobble stitch. Okay, it's our next one, so we're going to slip that purlwise from the left needle to the right needle, and then pick up the stitch below in the row below, which is right there. Oops. And then hook that onto our left needle like so, slip that stitch back again and purl those 2 together, and that will tighten up our bobble. And then we'll continue on with our project, knitting back and forth, and we should end up with nice tidy bobbles on our silk shawl.